You think you're getting away. You think you're getting away with it. That's why you're grinning. You think you're getting away. I wasn't trying to give it to you, eh? No, you can't have it. This is mine. It might be pink, but it's mine. You about to fall. You having a good time, man? There you go. I tried to give it to you. You were too slow, Mama. My thing is, why you always act like he handed it to you and then snatch it right back? Cammy.
Thank you.
Like, stop it. Let go, woman. That's nice, baby. Cammy, say dada. Cammy. Say dada. 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 Yeah. All right, you just chewing the string. You chunky rascal. I know, that handsome little fella. That's Nana's baby boy. A day in the life of Kevin the Third. Turn it on, man. Turn it on. Yay! And then he turns it off. Alrighty, I thought you wanted to watch TV. Damn. I don't know how you do it. You're gonna be at that button all day.
Cammy.
Cammy, no.